Carrot halwa is a popular Indian dessert that is easy to make at home. Here is a simple recipe that you can try. Ingredients. 1 cup unsalted butter, melted. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 large egg, beaten. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 cups graham cracker crumbs. 1 cup sweetened shredded coconut. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts. How to bake. Preheat the oven to 350 F. Grease an 8-inch square baking pan. In a large bowl, combine the melted butter, sugar, cocoa powder, egg, and vanilla extract. Stir in the graham cracker crumbs, coconut, and chopped walnuts. Press the mixture into the prepared pan and bake for 10 minutes. Remove from the oven and let cool completely. In a medium bowl, beat the softened butter and custard powder until smooth. Gradually add the powdered sugar and milk, alternating between the two until the mixture is smooth and spreadable. Spread the filling over the cooled crust and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. In a small saucepan, melt the chopped chocolate and butter over low heat, stirring constantly. Spread the chocolate mixture over the filling and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Cut into squares and serve. Enjoy your homemade carrot halwa.